Welcome to Mallorca Princess. My name is Simone, and today we have a Polish wedding here in Mallorca. They are getting married in one of the most beautiful churches here on the island. They have this church has amazing sea views, and as you can see here, they have also a very special car. Today it's like a Bentley, and I have a lot of requests for special cars for weddings. So it's not that easy to get these here on the island, because it's an island and all the cars you have here, they are here. If not, you have to bring them from the mainland. But as you can see, they exist, and I'm looking forward when the couple gets out and drives away with the Bentley.
We used to fall in love and tell each other stories.